In front of me is XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, unlock developer options. To do it, go to About Phone and click 7 times on build number. And then let's go back, scroll down and pick System Settings, open Advanced, and here you will notice developer options. Just click to open and now locate demo mode. So here it is, tap to activate it. So if you'd like to smoothly turn demo mode on, just mark the switcher, and if you'd like to make it visible as well, just click on Show Demo Mode. And this is it, that will be all. This is how you can activate and make demo mode visible, and then whenever you'd like to switch it off, just unmark the switcher, and from now on it's switched off. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.